As you stand by the container, inhaling the faint scent of vinegar or citric acid, take a moment to appreciate the transformation underway. Remember, it's not just about restoring tools, it's about reigniting your passion for tackling the next big project. Now that your tools have soaked and emerged looking brand new, it's time to give them some much-deserved attention. Start with a thorough inspection, examining each tool closely to ensure there's no lingering rust or debris hiding in the crevices. Grab a cloth to wipe down each surface, feeling the smoothness beneath your fingertips, a satisfying reminder of their revival. Once cleaned, apply a light coat of oil to protect them from future rust, ensuring they remain in top condition. This simple act of care not only enhances the longevity of each instrument but also solidifies the bond between you and your trusty tools, ready to embark on a multitude of future projects together. With your tools now shining bright, it's essential to create a storage solution that safeguards their condition. Consider investing in a toolbox or a pegboard for easy organization, ensuring each tool has its designated spot. Not only does this arrangement keep everything tidy, but it also allows you to quickly access what you need when inspiration strikes. Remember to regularly inspect your setup, making adjustments as necessary, and cultivate that sense of responsibility. By maintaining an organized workspace, you strengthen your commitment to your craft, allowing for efficient and enjoyable project sessions ahead. As you admire the gleaming surfaces of your revitalized tools, let the anticipation of fresh projects fill your mind. Picture the masterpieces you'll create, the challenges you'll overcome, and the joy of seeing your ideas come to life. Now, picture yourself reaching for your tools, each one a trusted companion, ready to turn vision into reality. Embrace this moment as a reminder that every great craftsman understands the value of caring for their instruments. With these transformative methods and your commitment to maintenance, you have empowered yourself to craft with confidence and creativity. Each project waits just beyond the horizon, beckoning you forth with your newly refreshed arsenal at the ready. As you gather your tools, consider what project calls to you next. Will it be a restoration, a new creation, or perhaps a gift for someone special? The possibilities are endless, and the rejuvenated state of your tools invites you to explore them all. Remember, it's not just about the tools themselves, but the stories you will tell and the memories you will create together. Each brush of the tool against your material is a step closer to your next masterpiece. The journey begins now, so let your creativity flow. As you set forth on this creative journey, remember that each tool holds the promise of endless possibilities, waiting for your unique touch. With every project completed, you not only revive instruments but also the spirit of ingenuity that lives within you. Now, go forth and create.